fighting fentanyl. Hawaii Island police continue their efforts to keep that dangerous drug off the streets. In March, officers say they recovered an amount of fentanyl that could have killed more than 50,000 people. In total, there were 7 fentanyl-related arrests across the county last month. Police warned that drug networks are mixing the synthetic opioid with illegal counterfeit pills and then selling them as legitimate prescription pills. The consequences are reaching epidemic proportions. Mary Lair has been identified as the woman who died after an attack in Waikiki. Police found the 81-year-old seriously hurt last Wednesday while responding to a burglary and assault call at the Ainahau Vista complex. A 73-year-old man who lives in the complex was arrested but released pending investigation. A new investigation is revealing that military childcare centers were slow to report abuse. Military.com looked at several cases, including one that was first reported by HNN. In 2022, 15-month-old Isabella Kirkendall was sent to the Navy's Child Development Center at Pearl Harbor. Her parents noticed that she had bruises and then later saw video which they claim showed her getting pinched and slapped in the head and back by childcare workers. Military.com reported, quote, the daycare failed to properly document the injuries or to tell the parents the full scope of what happened, and, quote, base leadership acknowledged the overall failures of the reporting system, but ultimately placed blame on individuals and on the Honolulu Police Department.
I just feel like I couldn't imagine this happened to Isabella and knowing what happened to Isabella if I didn't stand up and if Jeremy didn't stand up and say something and fight as hard as we have. It would have just been a continuous cycle.
2 daycare workers pleaded no contest to third-degree assault. They got 8 to 30 days in jail. In a statement, Navy leaders said in part that such incidents are rare and that it, quote, takes swift action to report and thoroughly review each incident against our own policies, practices, and staffing to prevent future occurrences, end quote.
We're expecting scattered showers for the rest of the day. Heavy rainfall expected for Kauai and Niihau later on this afternoon. And as far as the surf, it's on the way down pretty much island-wide, although we are expecting another significant near advisory swell coming in sometime Sunday into Monday, so watch for that. So again, it's a first alert weather day for Kauai today. They could see some heavy rain, possible flooding conditions, and then we'll see some scattered showers for the next several days. More meaningful rainfall statewide is going to come in on Sunday through Monday.
This See It Now digital news brief is sponsored by Long's Drugs, bringing our heart to every moment of your health.